Justice of India, Justice Sanjeev Khanna, held a meeting with the High Court judges to discuss issues relating to filling up of vacancies, appointment of ad hoc judges in high courts, and establishment of evening courts. The meeting was held a day after National Conference, which was organized by the Apex Court to address issues faced by state judiciary. The conference was followed up by a meeting of Chief Justices of High Court and senior most judges of the High Court with the Chief Justice of India, Justice Sanjeev Khanna, Justice B.R. Gavai, and Justice Suryakant, judges of Supreme Court of India. The conference had four technical sessions, which covered diverse topics affecting the performance of state judiciary. The first technical session, which was chaired by Mr. Justice Sanjeev Khanna and co-chaired by Mr. Justice Abhay S. Oka, Mrs. Justice B.V. Nagaratna, and Mr. Justice Dipankar Dutta, witnessed discussions on ways to narrow the gulf between institution and disposal of cases, identification of case types flooding the judicial dockets, identification of bottlenecks in case disposal, and strategies to reduce backlog of cases at different levels. In the second technical session, which was chaired by Mr. Justice B.R. Gavai and co chaired by Mr. Justice P.S. Narasimha and Mr. Justice K.V. Vishwanathan, the feasibility of having a uniform case categorization in different courts was explored. In this session, ways to leverage technology for better to optimize the judicial processes was also deliberated upon. In the third technical session, which was chaired by Mr. Justice Suryakant and co chaired by Mr. Justice J.K. Maheshwari and Mr. Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia, there were discussions about timely recruitment of judicial officers and court staff, continual recruitment, empanelment of public prosecutors, legal aid councils, legal aid defense councils, creation of a permanent IT and data cadre in all high courts and district courts, the need for an objective and transparent transfer policy of judicial officers, and measures to enhance objectivity in the process of recommending suitable candidates from district judiciary for elevation to high courts was discussed. In the fourth technical session, which was chaired by Mr. Justice Sanjeev Khanna and co-chaired by Mr. Justice Vikram Nath, Mr. Justice M.M. Sundaresh, and Ms. Justice Bela Trivedi, there were discussions on career progression and continuous performance evaluation of judicial officers, mentoring of judicial officers by inspecting judges, as well as state judicial academies, need for establishing a common curriculum for training and capacity building of judicial officers, and ways of ensuring accountability of judicial officers and court staff. Honorable judges of the Supreme Court and Chief Justices and judges of High Courts graced the occasion. The conference witnessed participation of district judges from all states and union territories. Senior officers for Ministry of Home Affairs and Ministry of Law and Justice also attended the conference.